What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on Polygon Matic.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on.
And in today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on a price chart and how we get there. Then I will continue with the fundamental news that might drive the price of this asset. And at the end of this video, I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis. And I will show you what should we expect next. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video right here at this very point at the top of the third wave, and I marked this movement to the upside as the 5-wave structure, and at that very moment I've told you that we should have some kind of retracement to form our 4th wave, and then we have to hit some higher targets in order to complete the 5-wave structure. And as you can see, we have this movement to the downside that didn't overlap the top of the first wave, and here was the top of our 5th wave. And with this movement to the upside, we completed 5-wave structure, and we had this massive drop in its price that lost about let me show it to you more thoroughly, about 50% of its value during just one day. Definitely harsh movement, and it was made artificially, definitely artificially, because we don't have any volume with this movement. And right now we are hovering for basically 2 consecutive months pretty much sideways. And what should we expect next from the technical standpoint, I will show you in just several minutes. And for now, let's continue with the fundamental news. First of all, let's start with the total sentiment of the crypto market. For now, we are sitting at $1.01 trillion of total market cap. It is a 3.65% increase over the last day, and all major cryptocurrencies are in green for 24 hours period, and especially on a 7 days period. Bitcoin gained about 8.24% during last week, Ethereum gained a whopping 22.32% during last week, and BNB gained about 12% to its value. And let's continue with the Polygon numbers. Right now, it has a total market cap of $8.22 billion. It is a 3.28% increase over the last day. And the total tradable volume is $384.83 million. It is lower than it was previously by about 21.5%. And I have to say that this diminishing volume shows the decrease of its strength, and this means we have to be cautious with our long position. But everything I will show you in my technical analysis, and let's continue with the fundamental news. First of all, let me show you this article on beingcrypto.com, and it was published on October 28th, and it's titled "Why Polygon Matic Price Could Experience Another Bullish Breakout." And the key bullets are following. Matic holder addresses rose from around 20,000 in May 2022 to 113,890, noting over 480% growth. And this number is really impressive. While addresses also noted and increased their holding throughout September. News of Polygon adoption by mainstream fintech giants aided its active address growth. And definitely all of these facts are very bullish on Polygon, but despite these facts we don't have major movements either way, and we didn't break this range of resistance and this range of support. And let me show you another news that is quite bullish. On Cointelegraph.com we have this article that was published on October 26th, and it's titled "Is Matic Price About to Double? Polygon's Reddit Hype Pushes Exchange Balance to 9-month Lows." Matic price could sustain bullish momentum on cues from a mix of optimistic fundamental and technical indicators. And let me quote you this. More cues for potential Matic price rally come from the news of Polygon's adoption by mainstream fintech companies. Notably, Nubank, a Brazilian neobank backed by Warren Buffett's Berkshire Hathaway, picked Polygon to build its native Web3 ecosystem. Since the October 20 announcement, Matic's price has rallied by nearly 12% and was trading for $0.95 as of October 26th. Furthermore, the massive matic outflow from exchanges coincides with the soaring trading and sales volume of Reddit non-fungible token avatars. These digital collectibles are minted as NFTs on the Polygon blockchain. And here we can see two charts. So one of them is sales volume collectible avatars. And as you can see, on October 26th, it was the highest number of these avatars sold. And basically, from the mid of July, it has a parabolic movement to the upside. This fact also increases the fundamentals of Polygon. And the second chart shows the volume in general. And as you can see, we also have this massive spike in these sales. So, and definitely, from the fundamental standpoint, we have quite a bullish setup for Polygon, but from the technical standpoint, we have some doubts. And let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, as you can see, with this movement to the downside, we hit exactly the range of support that previously was the range of resistance, and I marked this line, I guess, several months ago. And this touch was very technical, and from this range we had movement to the upside that touched another range that was resistance, and this range worked also perfectly well because we have two touches right here and right here, and we have random breakout above this range, but we are on Poloniex exchange, and before the beginning of September we had very low volume, and this increase in volume shows the fact that a lot of people from Russia were banned from using different stock exchanges that are registered or located in Europe, and this means a lot of people just moved their funds to other minor exchanges, and Poloniex is one of them. So, and what are the bullish signs? First of all, let me show you that from this bottom to this top, if I pull the Fibonacci retracement tool, we have very good setup. We have the confluence of 0.786 Fibonacci retracement level with this range of support, and from this range we went higher. But right here, all of this price action is pretty much sideways movement, and we have to be cautious because the longer period of consolidation we have, the more uncertainty this asset shows. And definitely right now we can hit either way. We can retest the range of resistance or the range of support. And we have a bearish sign that this movement from its lowest point of roughly 32.33 cents right here has a two-wave structure. Then we have a retracement and we have five-wave structure. And if I'm wrong, and if right here we have five-wave structure, in this case we might consider this movement to the upside as the first, second, third. This is the bottom of the fourth, probably of the fourth wave, and we have to land somewhere higher. But otherwise, if I'm right and this is just a two-wave structure, in this case we have an ABC correction, because A wave could have two or five-wave structure, and we have two waves. Then we have B wave, and we have to have five-wave structure in our C wave. And if this is the case, definitely we should see lower price targets for Polygon, and this is a quite bearish setup. So what should you do if you want to enter the position? In my opinion, right here at roughly 70 cents price point, we might have another range of support, and as long as this pivot holds, we are at least medium-term bullish, and we might land somewhere higher. We might have the next attempt to break this range of resistance, and because of this we might hit at least this top, this previous top, and from our current price we might have about 37% of upside potential and about 24% of downside potential depending on the price action. This means if you want to enter your position, just accumulate on the way down with the tight stop loss slightly below 70 cents mark, with the upside potential to this range of about $1.3. So I think from the technical standpoint that's it for now. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell, and see you guys and girls next time. Bye!
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock star in the this life, gonna live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, doing no cap. Only God wants, so you better go live